taking a deep look at one of the most unique and imaginative heavy equipment designs ever conceived, the DOZER. DOZER, Medical Force Bulldozer Concept. This isn't just any construction machine. It's a fusion of industrial power and a symbolic tribute to healing, strength, and emergency response. Imagine a bulldozer with the heart of a first responder, a machine that looks like it's ready to break through obstacles and clear the path just like a medical team rushing into action. That's the essence of the DOZER concept, and in this video we are going to explore every angle, every detail, and even the price tag of the real inspiration behind the idea. The Next Subscribe Bulldozer, priced around $295,000 USD. From the moment you first see the DOZER, the design grabs your attention. The front blade dominates the frame, oversized and powerful, crafted with smooth, industrial-grade steel. But what sets it apart are the custom elements: a silver caduceus symbol etched boldly into the center of the blade, and a heartbeat ECG line engraved across the metal surface. This isn't cosmetic flair for show. It's a statement. It tells you immediately that this machine represents more than force, it represents resilience and protection. The grille at the front carries the name, Drive. DOZER, in bold letters, a name that sounds like a superhero title rather than industrial equipment. It evokes a feeling of purpose, like this bulldozer is ready not just to shape Earth but to come to the rescue of infrastructure, clearing rubble with surgical precision and unwavering strength. The massive tires and reinforced tracks are built to handle extreme terrain, whether that's a rugged construction site or debris fields following a natural disaster. It's that dual personality, engineer and healer, that makes this concept so compelling. But let's talk about the real machine behind the idea. The Next Subscribe Bulldozer, priced at approximately $295,000 USD, serves as the backbone for our concept. This is a high-end construction vehicle known for reliability, power, and cutting-edge hydraulic performance. Its rugged architecture allows designers to imagine elevated themes, like integrating medical symbolism into heavy machinery, something unlikely in real life but undeniably cool in a concept model. Priced competitively in the upper spectrum of mid to heavy-duty earthmovers, the Next Subscribe offers torque, durability, and adaptability that makes it an ideal platform for creative reinterpretation. Now imagine looking at this bulldozer from the side. The profile view shows a perfectly balanced machine, long, muscular tracks, an engine housing that suggests brute strength, and a cabin that appears both protective and advanced. In our DOZER concept, the side panels are given subtle medical accents, red and white stripes, small cross symbols, painted to reflect emergency response colors without diminishing industrial aesthetic. You get the sense that this machine lives in two worlds, one of raw mechanical force and the other of purposeful service. Step inside the DOZER concept cabin and you're met with an interior more fitting of a high-tech medical command center than a typical bulldozer. Imagine ergonomic seats with embroidered red stitching, digital dashboards laden with screens that display not just vehicle status but heartbeat ECG motifs and medical glyphs. The joysticks and controls feel responsive and futuristic, almost like piloting a rescue mech rather than a construction vehicle. It's an environment that's both intimidating and inspiring, an operator cockpit that suggests this machine is ready for crisis as much as construction. But what truly makes the DOZER concept unforgettable is the story it tells. Heavy machinery typically doesn't wear symbolism. But here, every element, from the polished steel of the blade to the medical insignia, suggests a narrative of service. It stands as a metaphorical guardian of the construction site, a machine that could bulldoze through barriers just as a medical team bulldozes through challenges to save lives. The dusty construction backdrop and dramatic skies in the concept visuals only add to the cinematic feel, giving the DOZER a presence that's larger than life. For those wondering, the Next Subscribe model that inspired this design is a real-world investment. At around $295,000 USD, it's not a machine for casual buyers. It's meant for professionals who demand reliability and power day in and day out. But when you apply creative layers like those in the DOZER concept, you see how industrial design can transcend typical boundaries and become visual storytelling. In today's world, where machinery and technology are often given personalities through branding and concept art, the DOZER stands out as an idea that marries function with imagination. It tells us that heavy equipment doesn't have to be cold metal, it can be given meaning, character, and even a sense of purpose. Whether you're a fan of concept art, industrial design, or just powerful machines with personality, this bulldozer concept delivers something memorable. If you enjoyed exploring this concept with us and want more deep dives into creative industrial designs, futuristic machinery ideas, and breakdowns of concept art with real-world context, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.